So, today was a little rough on the trading front. The dark side of trading that no one really talks about, right? Is like all week the markets were super good to me. Super good to me. Nice clear direction, clean breaks, right at open. I turned $500 US into $1,200 US. And then on Friday, I seen how much volume came in pre-session, and at that point, like I know to wait, but it just looked like a lot of volume was still coming in, so I traded it, and I should have just faded myself. I should have said, nah, it's gonna play the fucking range today, you know, but I didn't. I thought it was gonna break, and I took the trades a little too soon. It chopped me the fuck up. I lost $1,100 in a day, in like an hour, because I broke my rules. As simple as that. You got to make rules for yourself and follow them. So, from now on, I'm not trading Fridays. Fridays, especially, okay, if I see something juicy and some nice clean direction, maybe I'll trade. Because realistically, like, I am a volume day trader. Scalp. I scalp like a motherfucker. And for me to just like keep trading after losing the first 2, 3 trades, like, it was just like, oh, I don't want to be down today. That was the thought. And that became the problem. Because realistically, like, I could have just stayed at like $800 in the account and been happy with that and said, fuck it. I lost a little bit today, but I'll make it back next week. Now the account is at $100. I am going to deposit some more money in the account and get it back up to like 500 this week. But I'm going to trade it as it is. I'm going to trade it as it is for the first couple days. First 3 days of the week, I'm going to trade it as it is, see how far I can get it, and then whatever extra money I have on this paycheck is going to go into the charts, into that account. So, we're going to work it back up to about $1,000 by the end of next week. Maybe a little higher. Who knows? If the markets treat us very good, maybe we can turn that 100 into 700-800 before I deposit, and then, we'll see what the paycheck's looking like. I gotta pay a couple bills, but whatever else I have left, going straight into that account. So, the dark side of trading is very interesting, but I'm very grateful for that for today, because it taught me that with that little bit of discipline, you can protect your account. Overtrading is the killer. And I've done this before with like smaller amounts of money, right? I've been working with a couple $100 in my account for a year, really learning the ins and outs of it. And even after a day like that, I get super disciplined after, and I'm like, boom, 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 boom. But I guess I needed that day to remind me that that can still happen. Yeah. And it's okay to take a red day. It's okay to take a red day. Like, most of the writing on that board is blue, but taking a red day won't hurt you as long as you're disciplined enough to stop. You get into that mode of I can make this back so easily, and then you're over leveraging, and it's not what you need to be doing. Not what I need to be doing. Especially on an account that I'm like, okay, let's see how high I can take this. Now, Now I got to deposit a little bit more. I can run up to 100, but we're like, if I was to double it every week, we're like 3 weeks away from 3 to 4 weeks away from where I was. So I'm gonna deposit a little bit, and we're gonna run it up. We're not gonna go too crazy, with how far we push it, but if we get some nice clean direction on those trades and we just let them run, we can maybe risk 10% of the account and double it in 2 days, and just keep doing that. But yeah, I just wanted to record this video. I don't even know when I'm gonna put this out, but it is literally the first real week of January 2026. 2026 is a year of discipline. It is a year of discipline. I've gotten too fat. I'm a little chunky right now. I'm getting back in the gym. We got to do this. This is real shit right now. 2025 is done, and 2026 is coming in, and it is a very masculine year. It is a fucking year of dominating in every single way possible. So get ready for this ride. We're gonna see how high we take this account. That loss it's making me lock in that much more, which I love that. So we gotta get this money. Definitely. We got bills to pay. We got my mom's house to pay off. We got a building in Montego Bay that needs to be fixed because of the hurricane. A little bar, So we on the way up. We on the way up. It's just that in the markets we call that a liquidity grab, right? When it sweeps down to then push up higher than it ever has before, that is what happened. It's literally what happened to my account today. So thank you for listening. I'm out.